Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So good morning. Actually, it is not morning, it is about 2 o'clock in the evening. I got a new job, so I have to be my job at 3. I just stopped at Taco Bell to get some lunch because I just got out of class and then I had to do a couple things for my job. And I have these really cute necklaces on. They're really cute, but yeah, so I just wanted to vlog today because we have a lot of things going on. I started my new job. Well, I'm starting today. And then on Saturday, today is Wednesday, on Saturday, we are going to hopefully get a new car. So yeah, stay tuned because it will be in this vlog. So Seth just got home and he brought us a pizza home, and we usually do like the make your own on the online. Oh, it looks like he already ate a pizza. But so usually I'll get banana peppers, spinach, sausage, and mushrooms, and then we always get the stuffed crust, and then Seth gets the pepperoni, jalapenos, and bacon, I think it is. But anyways, we always do this and it is so good. Good morning guys. So today is Monday. You may notice that I am in a different car, and that is because we got a new car over the weekend and I'm so excited. I'll show you guys the car a little later in this vlog, but I just made it to class, so I'm gonna head to class, and then after class I have like an hour or so to finish my essay that's due tonight, and then I'm headed to work tonight. I did also get a new job. I don't know if I told you guys that yet or not, but yeah, so I have a lot of changes happening and I'm so excited. So yeah, let's get on with our Monday. So I got a ton of snacks in this little basket to keep them in. I don't know if I'm going to keep this in my car yet because there is stuff that could melt, but I got a bunch of snacks, and Dollar Tree is an awesome place to get snacks, like if you're going on a road trip or if you just need some snacks or like some stuff for your lunch. So I got a Jeep Compass and I absolutely love it, and then I got my little thing set up to play my music and stuff. I will update you guys when I get off of work tonight, probably around 11, maybe a little bit earlier. I don't know yet. Hey guys, so welcome back. Today is what is today? Thursday, and I have some errands to do. I just got out of class. The camera battery's about to die, but I have to run by and get my tags off of my old car and go to the bank. And later this evening we have to go to Walmart, and a Marshall's actually just opened where we live, so we'll probably go there this evening. I have to take the trash off and wash my car. Did I already say that? And another company is actually gonna buy my old car, so I have to go give them the title, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. But at first I'm putting a little bit of makeup on. So yeah, I'm putting a little bit of makeup on. My camera just died, so I changed the camera battery. Good thing I brought 2 with me today. I thought about going to laying the tan bed, but I don't know if I will or not. Or spray tan, I don't know, I just need to be tan. What else do I have to do? I don't know, it's kind of just, I kind of need to clean today as well. So yeah, this is like a little get ready with me real quick, because I just got out of class, so I went to class like looking awful. But yeah, so I hope that you guys are having a great day as you're watching this video, because this is actually gonna be today's a new day. I already said that. Today's Thursday. I think in my other vlog it was like Monday or something. I don't know, but I'm sorry, I can't keep up with my vlogs this week for some reason. So just bear with me. We'll figure it out together. Yesterday was Halloween, and I will insert some pictures from, oh shoot. I'll insert some pictures yesterday from Baylee trick-or-treating because she was literally so cute. She was an old woman. So yeah, I'll insert those pictures and show you guys. Okay, that should be good. Now, so basically that's all I'm doing, just a little bit of foundation, powder, and mascara. I'm not gonna go too out. My hair is super greasy because I didn't wash it last night. Better not play it too loud because I'm still in the parking lot. Okay, let's go. I'll just let you guys come on. We we will just do a little drive with me because I got a new car. Oh yeah, I still haven't done I haven't showed you guys my car yet. I will definitely do that as soon as I stop to wash my car. On the TV, mom. Yeah, I need to get a camera holder. It's mind blowing and gold diggers digging because it's about to fall off of the thing. So currently in the car wash. I went ahead and done the automatic so I didn't have to do it. I love going to the car wash. This like colored stuff was always my favorite when I was like a little kid. I love this stuff. It looks so cool too. So cool. I haven't been to the car wash in like forever. I don't know what it's doing now. Oh yeah, I think it's the wax now. So since I just washed my car, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my car so that you all can see it because I am so excited and I love it so much. So here is kind of like the inside. I have a bunch of my backpack and purse and all that stuff in the seat, so it's kind of messy, but I got a new steering wheel cover and it's just so cute. Like I love it. It's so roomy. And then the back, the handle's up here, and then this is the back. I have Baylee's car seat in there, and then we have some stuff from like trick-or-treating, and then I have all of Baylee's essentials down there, which I'll do a separate video on that later, like what I keep in my car. And then here is the outside. I love it so much, you guys. And then here is the front. Still have like my dealership tags on there. There's somebody washing the car over there, so I'm like trying not to be too like noticeable. But like here's my car, and I love it so much, you guys. And it's so pretty. I love it. I'm literally so in love. So I will be doing a separate video on like what I keep in my car, but I did want to show you guys this car hack that I've been loving. This company had sent me some of these to try out and see how I like them, and I absolutely love them. They're like really sturdy, and you can change the Velcro on like what size quadrants you want, and you can buckle the straps on the middle there. And this one I just keep Baylee's like some toys in here that she can have like while she's sitting here while we're driving. Baby dolls, she loves baby dolls, and just some like fun toys. Also a pair of shoes and some snacks, just so she can have it like kind of within reach, just as like a kid's car bin. So I thought this would be great to show you guys in this video, because if you're a mama and you need some ideas to keep your child busy while you drive, this is a great one. I absolutely love it. Also, another fun way that you can use this bin is, actually you can use it in several different ways, and it also comes with like an extra little thing, so you can do the pockets how you want, like I mentioned before. But in this one I just have her diapers, some bedtime books, some wipes, some lotion, some face wipes, hair detangler, some Tylenol, lotion, butt paste, and this one is what I like to call the nighttime bin. So like when it's nighttime and time for Baylee to go to bed, I'll have everything that I need to get her ready, from her bath and her diapers and ready to go to bed. So I absolutely love this idea as well. The fun thing about these is they're so versatile. You can literally do anything with them. You can put like hair accessories in them. You can put cleaning supplies in them. You can put baby supplies. You can use it as a car bin. You can literally do whatever with them, and they are great for anything. So I mean, even if you're like gonna have a picnic, you can put your picnic supplies in here. They're so versatile, and that's what I love about these. I will have these linked down below, and you guys can purchase you one. They are so great, and they're pretty affordable. And I also have some to give away to you guys. So if you want to enter to win one of these, just comment down below and let me know your favorite thing about fall, and I will enter you in this giveaway to win one of these little caddies that you can use for pretty much anything, and they're so great. So be sure to enter this giveaway, and I'll be announcing this giveaway at the end of next week. So yeah, enter to win, and the link will be down below. So we are currently on our way to Marshall's because a new one just opened up in our town. So we're gonna go check it out, and I have my little buddy with me. She's already took her shoes off back there. So yeah, let's go. So we just made it to Marshall's. We had to park all the way at the end. I don't even know if you guys can, okay. Marshall's is right there. We had to park all the way down here at the end because there's literally no parking because today is their grand opening. There's also a DJ outside playing music and there's like donuts outside. So yeah, are you ready, Baylee? You ready, baby? We was driving by and she was like, what is that? Okay, let's go. Because there's so many people here, I'm not gonna take my camera inside, but I am going to do a haul when I come back out, so stay tuned. Here we go. We're ready. So just to show you guys everything that we got at Marshall's, I'm just gonna start with the first bag here. What are you doing? Huh? So I thought these were so cute, so I went ahead and got them for Baylee for like an early Christmas present. And they're just these little boots, and they're like gold and they have fur inside, and they are so cute. And these were $19.99 for those. And then I got quite a few candles because this is my favorite brand, and they had all kinds where it was their grand opening. So I got the DW Homes Collection apple butter, or apple honey butter, and it smells so good. All of these smell so good. And then I also got the apple pumpkin one, and this one also smells so good. And then I got another candle. This one is for Christmas, and it is the DW Homes candy cane scent. This one smells so good too. It smells just like a candy cane. I wanted something sort of like that for like winter and a Christmassy scent, so I got that one. And then for the other two candles that I got this one in the taller form. They're the same price as the larger ones, or the wider ones, but I prefer this one, but they didn't have it in this, and it is just the maple hazelnut, and it smells so good. And then this one is apple cider, and it smells really good as well. And the last couple things that I got, I just got this cherry almond bar soap, and it smells so good, so I decided to try it. And this was $3.99. And then the last thing that I got is just this skillet, and it's like this pink blush color, and this was $9.99, and it looks like it's really good quality, so I wanted to try it out because we do need a new skillet. And that is all of the stuff that I got. I'm so excited. Marshall's is one of my favorite stores, so I'm so excited that we have one in our town now. Baylee. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you're not already. If you want to enter the giveaway for the caddies, just comment down below your favorite thing about fall, and be sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.